Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Winnie Sesame and this is Winnie's vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share my video. So guys, today I'll be telling you how to do your hair mask for massive hair growth. And sorry for the inconveniences, like the video is not going to be so bright and I'll be using the voiceover because of the noise in the background, so please watch till the end. So I've put my hair in 6 sessions and they are wet. I told you, before you do anything to your hair, make sure your hair is moisturized enough. So guys, let's get started. So we'll be needing some few things. You'll be needing aloe vera, which you can see I'm using 2 aloe vera. It's kind of dry and somehow, but please don't mind it. Like I said, we need 2 aloe vera. Then also we'll be needing an egg. You can use 2 egg, guys, because when I used 1 egg in this video, it wasn't enough, so you might use 2 egg for your hair growth mask. And I'll be breaking it into the aloe vera. Also, you will need Jamaican black castor oil. You can see it on my hands. And also guys, you need olive oil, that's your carrier oil on the. And also you need virgin hair fertilizer. It's not that necessary, you might choose to use it or not, so you might not use it. So guys, we'll be mixing everything together and applying it to our hair. So first thing I'm doing is breaking my egg into the aloe vera gel that I grated, that I collected from the aloe vera plant. Next, I'll be adding my Jamaican black castor oil, which is my essential oil here, and I'll be adding 2 drops of it, as you can see in the video. That's a drop, and taking my second drop. Oops, that's the second one, guys. Now I'm turning my olive oil into it too, and I'm taking 1 drop and another drop, which is the complete 2 drops we need for it. Then virgin hair fertilizer, which is really not that necessary, but you can add it just in case you have it in your house. It's actually going to help too, but it's not very necessary for this Hairmask, so you might choose to add it or not. So next thing now is to mix everything together. As you can see me doing, I'm mixing all my ingredients together to make sure everything is mixed very well for me to apply it on my hair. As you can see me whisking it very well, very well. So guys, this is the hair sections we're going to be working with, as you can see. So you need to like wear a cloth that you can mess up, because it's going to smell, and I don't think you want egg smell on your clothes or your clothes, so you use something that you don't really mind. So first we're taking this section and losing it and detangling it with my hand. So guys, I want to use a nylon because I don't want my hand to smell, but it's actually not comfortable, so I'll also remove the nylon because I couldn't do it very well. So I'm applying the mixture to my hair. As you can see, sorry that the video is kind of down. As you can see, I'm applying it to my hair strands and I'm massaging it to my scalp so it gets there and do the job very well. This thing is quite messy and smelling, so hope you don't just mind it, because actually you are going to see results, massive results. So I'm still applying it to my hair and massaging it. After massaging it, I'll be putting it in braids. Now take the other section and do the same to it. Apply the mask, massage it, and put my hair back in braid. Then the last session in this part, let's lose it and do the same thing to it, guys. You can see what I'm doing, and yeah, guys, this is it on the first part. So let's do it on the second part, starting from the back also, taking the braids down, detangling with my hand, and adding the hair mask. Please make sure your hair is moisturized before you do this treatment. As you can see, I'm putting it back in braids, and I'm taking the second part in the second section and doing the same thing to it. And also the last session, I'm also doing it. Though the marks wasn't that enough at the end though, but yeah, I was able to get it to do a little job on my hair scalp and hair strand. Guys, this thing is so messy, and hope you don't mind because it's going to drop on your body and everything. So make sure you take a bath after it. So I'm covering my hair with nylon because I want the heat to stimulate inside and do a very good treatment, and I'm leaving it for 20 minutes so that it will get into my hair scalp and do the job. So guys, this is my hair after washing and taking it out. Sorry for the power take off, Nigerian for you. So guys, I will tell you the truth, I saw volume, like my hair got much, and yes, there was growth. So you can try it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.